A warm hello to all of you. I am Ruchi. Welcome to my channel Reckon Classes. I spent most of my life teaching students the fun game of numbers. Today I have prepared some examples on pair of linear equations in two variables for class 10th CBSE. Let's start. Example number 1. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 8. The number obtained by reversing the digit exceeds the number by 18. Find the given number. So, let the units digit be x and tens digit be y. So therefore number equal to 10y plus x दो डिजिट के नंबर हैं. जैसे सपोज 35 है तो 35 इक्वल टू कितना होगा. अगर मान लीजिए 35 डिजिट है तो यूनिट प्लेस पे 5 है और 10 प्लेस पे 3 है. तो 35 को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं. 10 इंटू 3 प्लस 5. तो उसी तरह से हमने ये लिख दिया नंबर इक्वल टू 10y प्लस एक्स. नंबर व्हेन order of the digits is reversed. रिवर्स मीन्स जो 10 प्लेस पर है वो यूनिट प्लेस पे आ जाएगा और यूनिट वाला टेंथ प्लेस पे आ जाएगा. सो दिस इज इक्वल टू 10x प्लस वाई. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन x plus y sum of two digit equal to 8. So this is equation number 1 and 10x plus y equal to 10y plus x plus 18. The second condition है और this implies 10x minus x plus y minus 10y equal to 18 और 9x minus 9y equal to 18 और x minus y equal to 2. This is equation number 2. Now adding equation number 1 and 2, we get 2x equal to 10. This implies x equal to 5. Putting x equal to 5 in equation number 1, we get 5 plus y equal to 8 or y equal to 3. Hence, the required number equal to 10y plus x equal to 10 into 3 plus 5 equal to 35. So our answer is 35. Now example number 2. Half of the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 meter more than its width is 36. Find the dimension of the garden. So solution. Let width of the garden be x meters. Therefore, length equal to x plus 4 meters and perimeter equal to 2 times L plus B. So 2 times x plus 4 equal to 2 2x plus 4 meters. Now, according to the question, half of perimeter, so perimeter is 2 into 2x plus 4. This is perimeter, so half of perimeter equal to 36. This is given. This implies 2x equal to 36 minus 4, or this implies x equal to 32 upon 2, or x equal to 16. So x equal to 16, hence length of the garden equal to x plus 4. So 16 plus 4 meters, or equal to 20 meters, and width is x, width of the garden equal to 16 meters. So this is our answer. Clear? Now example number 3rd. The ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7, and the ratio of their expenditure is 4:3. If each of them saves rupees 2000 per month, find their monthly income. So let their monthly incomes be rupees 9x and rupees 7x, and their expenditure be rupees 4y and rupees 3y respectively. Then saving of first person equal to 9x minus 4y, rupees 9x minus 4y, and saving of second person equal to rupees 7x minus 3y. And according to question, both are equal to 2000 rupees. So 9x minus 4y equal to 2000, and 7x minus 3y, this is also equal to 2000. So this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now multiplying equation number 1 by 3 and 2 by 4, we get we get 27x minus 12y equal to 6000. This is equation number 3rd, and 4th one is 28x minus 12y equal to 8000. This is equation number 4th. Now subtracting equation number 4 from equation number 3 from 4. Now subtracting equation number 4 equation number third from 4. We get x equal to 2000. Hence, income of first person equal to rupees 9 into 2000. This gives rupees 18,000. And income of second person equal to rupees 7 into 2000, and this gives rupees 14,000. So this is our answer. Now example number 4. If we add 1 to numerator and subtract 1 from denominator of a fraction, we get 1. If we add 1 to the denominator, we get 1 by 2. Find the fraction. So let the fraction be x by y. Now, according to first question, so by question, x plus 1 upon y minus 1, y minus 1 equal to 1. फर्स्ट कंडीशन से हमें ये मिलेगा. दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट कंडीशन. सो दिस गिव्स x plus 1 equal to y minus 1 implies x minus y equal to minus 2. So this is equation number 1. Now second condition, again by question x upon y plus 1. If we add 1 to denominator, then we get fraction equal to 1 by 2, or this implies 2x equal to y plus 1 implies 2x minus y equal to 1. This is equation number 2. Now subtracting equation number 1 from equation number 2, we get x equal to 3 and x equal to 3. Now substituting x equal to 3 in equation number 1, we get 3 minus y equal to minus 2. This implies minus y equal to minus 5, or y equal to 5. So we have x equal to 3 and y equal to 5. Hence, required fraction equal to 3 by 5. So this is our answer. क्लियर? तो जब भी हमारे पास दो वेरिएबल होते हैं x और y, तो हमारे पास दो कंडीशन होनी ज़रूरी है. हमारे पास दो इक्वेशन होंगी, तब इसको हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Now example number 5th. Sumit scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong question. Had 4 marks been rewarded for each correct answer and 2 marks has been deducted for each incorrect answer, then Sumit would have scored 50 marks. Okay, how many questions were there in the test? So here are two conditions. So first one is this and second one this one. So let let the number of correct answer be x and number of wrong answers be y. Then in the first case, in the first case 3 marks for right answer, so 3x minus y, wrong के लिए 1 marks and this gives 40. So this is equation number 1. And in the second case, 4 marks for right answer, so 4x minus 2 marks for wrong answer, 2y, it gives 50. So this is equation number, or you can write, or 2x minus y equal to 25. So this is equation number 2. Subtracting 2 from equation number 1, we get x equal to 15. So we have x equal to 15. Now we substitute x equal to 15 in equation 1. From equation number 1, we get 3 into 15 minus y equal to 40, or this gives y equal to 5. This is 45 minus y equal to 40. This implies minus y equal to minus 5, or y equal to 5. So we have y equal to 5 and x equal to 15. So we can write, therefore, number of correct answers 15 and number of wrong answers is are 5 equal to 5. So total number of questions, how many? Hence total numbers of questions in the test equal to 15 plus 5 equal to 20. So 20 is our answer. Now example number 6. The age of two friends A and B differ by 3 years. A's father is twice as old as A and B is twice as old as his sister Chanda. The ages of Ram and Chanda differ by 30 years. Find the age of A and B. So here let the ages of A and B be X years and Y years respectively. Then we can write x minus y equal to 3. हमने ऐसा क्यों लिखा? और वी कैन राइट x माइनस वाई इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस 3, क्योंकि हमें ये नहीं पता कि a बड़ा है या b बड़ा है, तो इसके लिए हमने यहाँ पर प्लस माइनस लगा दिया. अगर x a बड़ा है तो प्लस 3 आ जाएगा और b बड़ा है तो माइनस 3 आएगा. ठीक है. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन, age of Ram is twice of age of A. So age A की एज कितने हैं? X. तो age of Ram is 2x years and age of Chanda is B is twice as old as his sister Chanda. So Chanda age is y by 2. उसकी एज की आधी हो जाएगी इतना years. This is our equation number 1. And by question 2x minus y by 2 equal to 30 years. This is also given कि 30 years है इनका difference. और we can write 4x minus y equal to 60, and this is equation number 2. Now solving 1 and 2, we get हम दो तरह की इक्वेशंस होंगी. फर्स्ट केस में x माइनस वाई इक्वल टू 3 एंड 4x माइनस वाई इक्वल टू 60. सो सब्सट्रैक्टिंग ऐसे कर लेते हैं दो पार्ट्स में. दिस वन इज इक्वेशन नंबर 3rd एंड दिस इज सपोज 4. सब्सट्रैक्टिंग इक्वेशन नंबर 3rd from 4th, we get 3x equal to 57 or x equal to 19. So substitute this value x in equation number 3rd. So we get 19 minus y equal to 3 or y equal to 60. So in this case, and second, suppose we take x minus y equal to minus 3 and 4x minus y equal to 60. So this is equation number 5th and this one is equation number 4th. So subtracting equation number 5 from 4, we get 3x equal to 63 or x equal to 21, and substitute this value in equation number 5th. So we get 21 minus y equal to minus 3 or y equal to 24. So we have two cases. So hence age of A equal to 16 years and age of age of 19 years. First one is 19 years. Age of A जब 19 years है, then age of B equal to 16 years. This one is first case. और age of A equal to 21, ये वाली 21 years and age of B equal to 24 years. So we have two cases. In both cases, our condition satisfied. So this is our answer. I have pasted link of videos on pair of linear equations in two variable in the description box. Hope you enjoyed the today's lesson. I will be uploading next video soon. Once again, please like my video and hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.